My name is Vijay Mishra. So follow this channel if you want to start your real estate business without investing any capital. When I have started this real estate business, I had no capital, I had zero experience, and I had zero knowledge of real estate. But still, I have started this real estate. I got everything sorted. I sorted out how people start their business without investment, how leads can be generated, and how one can identify the customers and how one can close the deals. So this is the sequence once you enter into the real estate. But before that, you have to just start. You have to just take that one step to enter into the real estate by believing in yourself. Once you believe in yourself and you enter into the real estate, you will get to know that this is the easiest way to build your financial freedom based on the products available from other side. Means your builders and developers are so equipped with the inventories that they have very good products available with them, but they don't have the system to sell out this product to the particular person who require that product the most. That's why you come into the picture. If you learn this strategy, how you promote others product into the market, then you become the key person for that builders and developers, and slowly you build your reputation into the market, and you build this business from scratch. So step by step I will provide you guidance on how you start your real estate journey from scratch without investing any upfront capital from your end. But you need to be consistent, and you require that intention that yes, I will do it and I will succeed into this business. If you are ready with this intention, I am also ready with my own experience. So friend, I understand my first deal. I didn't have any experience about the real estate, but I got that my first lead through my newspaper company. I just put one pamphlet. I distributed that pamphlet inside the newspaper, and I got my first lead, and I just line up the client for the site visit. Once the client came to the site, they were very aggressive in asking the question, but by the time I just build up myself so that I can handle the objection. After doing the site visit, we just went for final negotiation part, and at that time I took help from my mentors, the person who is much better in experience than me. And with the help of my experience, with the help of guidance of my mentor, I just closed that deal. And believe me, that was the time when I haven't invested any capital upfront. I just utilized my time, my skill, and my learning on my learning which has given me by my corporate. So that's why if I can do it, you can also do it. But you need to follow the system, you need to follow the structure, and you need to believe on yourself that you can do it. So that's why I will provide you a step by step guidance on how you become a pro into a real estate. But you need to just put your commitment 100% that you will start from day number one. As per my guidance, if you will start based on your expertise, based on your time, and with my guidance, you will become real estate entrepreneur into this real estate industry. Friend, real estate is a sector where anybody can start this business if they are having a good communication skill, if they are having a good understanding about the people, and if they knows the market very well. If you have all these things, you can also start a real estate business. It doesn't matter you do have experience, you do have capital, and you do have the confidence or not. Confidence can be built by the time, but first you need to take that decision that you have to start something important so that you can get the financial freedom as early as possible. I am the live example in front of you, because I have started this business when I did not have any job. I lost my job during the COVID-19. I did not have any job, and there were a time when finding a job was a little bit difficult because of the COVID pandemic. And one of my friend has given me this opportunity to start real estate consulting, and I have just started the real estate consulting by believing on my mentor and by believing on myself, because I just don't want to be a jobless for a longer time. And that's why I started this journey in the real estate sector. And believe me, after going into this industry, I got to know that anybody can start this business. There are lots of opportunity available in the market. People are ready to buy the property because this is the need, and they just want to build their home. You can sell plots, you can sell any constructed house, you can sell under construction property, you can sell the final and the semi final product from any builders and developers. But you need to just take that decision that you are able to start this journey step by step. So friend, I just want to guide you for each and every step. If you are ready to learn from me, just subscribe my channel. इस चैनल में मैं लोगों की हेल्प करता हूँ how they can start their real estate business from scratch just like me. And for better notification, you just subscribe this channel and bell item को click करिए, so that whenever I will put new video, you will get the right notification and you can watch this video for your future learning and the training. So thank you very much for watching.